everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious marshmallow and chocolate chip cookies. Let's get into it. So first of all, I'm going to start by placing 150 grams of vegan butter into my bowl, along with 100 grams of brown sugar and 50 grams of plain white sugar. And I'm going to mix this until smooth. See you after it's done. Now that's done, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3 tablespoons of applesauce. And I'm only going to mix that for a little while. Yep. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose plain flour and a teaspoon of baking powder and salt. I'm going to mix this until I have the doughy, creamy consistency. See you after it's done. Now that's done, I'm going to add a handful of chocolate chips and a handful of marshmallows. And this can vary on how chocolatey or how marshmallowy you want it. Now I'm going to mix this up. Now that's done, I'm going to place it into a bowl and leave it to chill for 30 minutes. See you after it's done. Now that's chilled and my baking tray has been papered up, it's time to start scooping. I have to use this because I've misplaced my easy trigger scooper. So let's start scooping. Now that's done and my oven has been preheated, I'm going to place these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes while I prepare the others. See you after it's done. Now that is how you make some delicious marshmallow and chocolate chip cookies. Now it's time to tuck in. Look at that. Now thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed and see you next time.